Hello everyone, good morning. I hope that you are doing great in your life. So just imagine आप हिल स्टेशन जाते हो with your family. So all of a sudden आपको एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा चढ़ाई या उतराई आप देखते हो, ठीक है? और आपको उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में यू नीड टू अप्लाई इमरजेंसी ब्रेक। I'm pretty sure यार अगर आप बिगिनर हो या फिर आप प्रो ड्राइवर भी हो, यू विल फील नर्वस, है ना? तो आजकल जितनी मॉडर्न डे कार्स है, दे कम अप विद द फीचर लाइक हिल डिसेंट एंड हिल कंट्रोल. And in this video today, I will going to tell you how these features work and on which scenario you can use this feature. Let's start with hill descent. So hill descent feature की बात करें तो इसमें it will come into play when there is a steep gradient, जब काफ़ी ज़्यादा उतराई होगी. और ये एक्टिवेट कैसे होता है? इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. आपके कार में हिल डिसेंट का बटन होगा, यू जस्ट नीड टू प्रेस दैट बटन. जैसे ही उस बटन को आप दबाओगे, योर हिल डिसेंट फीचर विल एक्टिवेट. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन इज कि आपका जो कार है, इट विल नॉट गो बियॉन्ड 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट? सो योर कार विल सेंस दैट कि you have activated the hill descent feature. Obviously the engine braking will come into picture. The car will going to apply brakes on its own, and the car will not go beyond 10 km per hour. This is what the beauty of hill descent. So let me summarize. The hill descent feature will come in play when there is a steep gradient. So every car has a dedicated hill descent control button. इसको on and off करना, it is very easy. So when you will engage hill descent control, first of all your car will not go beyond 10 km per hour. At the same time, please do not apply brakes and accelerate your car. So in your car speedometer screen, if you see white icon, it means system is in standby. If it is in green icon, it means system is activated and it will work as per the expectation. So my final verdict, every modern day car should come with this useful and amazing feature. Okay, now comes the hill hold feature. So hill hold feature will come in play when there is a steep inclination. Okay. Let's understand what exactly is hill hold control feature and how it can benefit us and how it can make our driving an awesome experience. Suppose you need to apply an emergency brake while you're driving uphill, and in panic, God forbid, you lose control from your car. Your car starts rolling backwards, and there is very high chance that your car might meet with an accident. So how does hill hold control actually work? So as soon as you apply brakes on your car, the incline sensor will going to sense it that there is an inclination, and hill hold control feature of car will automatically activate it. Now the car is in first gear, clutch totally pressed, and as soon as you release the brake pressure will hold itself for 3 seconds. The car will not roll backwards, and now simply accelerate and come out of the situation. This car like Tata Nexon, Kia Sonet, Maruti Swift, Honda City, and Ford Figo, they come up with this hill hold control feature. Now let's understand what are the key benefits of hill hold control feature. First of all, the car will not roll backward when there is an inclination. And secondly, wear and tear of the mechanical parts like handbrake and clutch can be avoided. So next time when you're driving in the mountains or tackling an off-road trail, features like hill hold and hill descent will have your back. If you really like my video today, don't forget to like, share and comment. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.